If you are considering a career in optometry and have your sights set on Australia, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will explore the job opportunities for optometrists in Australia, the sectors they work in, and some exciting stats about the growing field. First, let's talk numbers. Did you know that the average salary for an optometrist in Australia is around 60 lakhs INR per year? That's right. A career in optometry here is not only rewarding but also financially lucrative. With an attractive salary like this, it's no surprise that many optometrists are considering a move down under. The demand for optometrists in Australia is on the rise. In fact, the need for these eye care professionals is expected to grow by 11% over the next 5 years. This growth is driven by an aging population and increased awareness about eye health. Optometrists in Australia generally work in 3 main sectors. Number 1, healthcare and social assistance. In the healthcare and social assistance sector, optometrists provide essential eye care services, working in clinics, hospitals, and private practices. Number 2, financial and insurance services. In the financial and insurance services sector, they might work with insurance companies helping to assess and manage vision care plans and claims. Number 3, education and training. And in the education and training sector, optometrists can contribute to academia by teaching the next generation of eye care professionals and conducting research. With such diverse opportunities, a career in optometry in Australia is both versatile and fulfilling. So, if you are looking to make a difference in people's life and are ready for an exciting career in a growing field, consider optometry in Australia. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more career insights and opportunities around the world. Stay tuned for our next video where we will explore another exciting career path. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.